Oh, there you are. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh no, Rowan, makikidagdag ka na naman sa mga vlogger sa Pilipinas? Maybe. Now to be fair, nagawa ko na ito even before nauso ang mga reels at stories sa Facebook. Do you remember this one? So yeah, nakapalit na jud ko og flowers.
Grace, na usa ka maayong butang, dili kaangayan mo dawat ani, pero gihatag sa imo.
Natunga pagyud. So yeah, so there has been a few. So, ano naman ang magiging content ko? Well, I can try some personal reflections from my devotionals and learnings. It can be something fun or witty. Or I may talk about discipleship, training, Sunday service.
In this Bible, God's revelation to you that could transform and change your life and make you a whole man or a whole woman.
Bible study. Or radio. Well, we will see. But one thing's for sure, I would like to inspire and encourage. So abangan nyo yan. And I'll be seeing you very, very soon.